Hello, wonderful people across the world. Is yet another session on Diana TV. So, guys, is yet another interesting video on Diana TV. For those that are skin junkies, this is for you. I'm going to be introducing to you guys these two soap, extract and clear essence. Yeah, for those that doesn't like using lotions on their body but prefer only using soap on their body, it's gonna give you that glow, it's gonna give you that brightening effect. So just keep on watching. Yeah, first of all, I'm gonna introduce this soap doesn't whiten your skin. For those that want to whiten their skin and come in the comment section and say this soap did not whiten my skin, it did not give me, I'm not too fair. Please, when you are not fair from bed, this soap cannot fair you. It cannot fair you. Please don't come and attack me in the comment section. This soap is gonna give you that brightening effect. It's gonna give you that glow. Yeah, without lotion. This soap is a very good soap. Extract whitening herbal soap. Yeah, I want you guys to see it so clearly. Extract whitening herbal soap, papaya calamansi. Yeah, so this product extract is made in Nigeria. We have the product made in Nigeria and also in Philippines. For me, my own preference, I prefer the one made in Philippines. And the one made in Philippines doesn't have Arabics anywhere. Even at the back, it doesn't have Arabic. Yeah, but me, I prefer and I use the one made in Philippines. Yeah, so this soap, it has two potent natural ingredients. Papaya, known to effectively whiten the skin, but though it doesn't whiten, it just gives it that glow. Yeah, and that brightening effect. And calamansi, known to lighten stubborn dark spots, no doubt about that. With fresh and longer lasting scent and enriched with vitamins. We all know what vitamins do to your skin. It gives you that glow. And also antioxidants, man. So direction for use regularly for face and body. Yeah, the soap is meant for face and body. For best result, apply with extract papaya calamansi whitening lotion. You guys should not get scared of the name whitening. It doesn't whiten you. It can't whiten you. It just gives you that sweet, you know. So people will like, are you coming from abroad, sister? Are you coming from abroad, brother? Yeah, it just gives you that glow. So guys, the ingredients, this ingredient is made up of this soap is made up of sodium salt, palm kernel, fatty acid, aqua, potassium, lactate, salicylic acid, niacinamide, fruit extract. Guys, this soap is made up of wonderful ingredients. Seriously, wonderful ingredients. Like when the thing is that the soap is not even that too expensive for the compared to the ingredients it contains. In my own area, where I stay in Lagos, it costs 700, but within the range of 650 700. Yeah, this soap it's worth it. It's cost effective compared to the ingredient. And again, the skin types that can use this soap, because after using this soap, after bathing with this soap, it's kind of give you that dry skin. So you really have to moisturize your skin after using this soap. But I wouldn't say it's not really good for those that have dry skin, yes, because it still give you that dry effect after using this soap. But for those that have oily skin, sensitive skin, man, go for this soap. Like, I'm giving you 100%. I'm giving you assurance, 100% assurance. This soap is gonna be good for you. Because some people, they don't know their skin type, and you go using different products and you say it's not working for you. First of all, you need to know your skin type before using any product. Yes, this soap is good for those that have oily skin and sensitive skin. Yeah, I recommend this soap for those skin type. Yeah, so this is it. This is how it looks like. I want you guys to wait so that when you get to the market, you won't buy the fake one. Yes, so this is it. It has the expiring date on top of the soap, and also I want to, it can even also, they said guys, this soap is just wonderful. They said dermatologist tested not to be used for children under 3 years. Please don't use it for children under 3 years. Yeah, it's written here, it's written somewhere here. Yeah, you don't use it for children under 3 years. Yeah, so this is all about this soap. It's a good one. It's a really a good one. They said warning, this product contains an alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, that may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun, and particularly the possibility of sunburn. Use sunscreen, wear sun protective clothing, and limit sun exposure while using this product and for a week afterwards. So guys, they said it contains AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acid, which makes your skin sensitive to the sun. You still have to wear sunscreen. Please, you need to wear sunscreen so your skin won't be sensitive to the sun. But this soap is a short deal. Yeah, a short deal. If you don't want to use lotion alone, you can use this soap. But I beg you, don't come into my comment section and say it did not whiten you. It doesn't whiten. It doesn't make you white like Oyibo. It will not make you, you're not fair from birth now. You're not fair from genetics. So when do you want to get that you want to be white? You want to be very full. Cannot make you fair one name. It can't make you white, Biko. But it give you that glow. That kind of rich skin. This soap will give you that. So guys, the second one is Clear Essence complexion. So this is how it looks. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, yeah, can you see that? Clear Essence complexion soap. So guys, this soap is quite expensive. It's 1.3. Yeah, it's 1.3. This soap is a short deal too. It's so nice. This soap is so nice. This soap, I've known it for a long time, right? My mom used this soap and it's really nice on her. So I've known this soap for a long time, but then I could not afford it, and I said let me make a review on this soap. So guys, this is Clear Essence complexion soap for beautiful, radiantly healthy skin. Use Clear Essence. Yeah, it makes you glow. Man, you guys should know that I love things that make someone glow. Complexion soap twice a day. If you gradually fades dark spot, yeah, very through, and uneven skin discoloration with Clear Essence. Clear Essence complexion soap gently cleans your skin with rich lather. Very true. To remove makeup and dirt without rubbing your skin off with natural oils and moisture. So through, it's not as drying as extract. Yeah, it still maintains that oil. It still maintains the natural oil on your body. It doesn't give you that dry sensitivity skin. Yes, exfoliate dead cells from the skin surface for a radiant glow. This soap gives you that radiant glow, no doubt about it. It gives you a radiant glow. Directions for use: use clean wet hands or a soft terry wash cloth to work up a rich lather. Gently massage into skin, then rinse off completely, so your body will feel as it should, pure and radiantly healthy. Yes, this soap gives you that glow, no doubt. And guys, guess what? This soap can be used. Imagine, so it's a nice soap you can use for your children, your baby. You can't use this soap for infants under 6 months, please. For babies under 6 months, you don't use it for them. But from 6 months above, you can use this soap. Yeah, this soap is a short deal. Yeah, and the ingredients contained in this soap is lactic acid. You guys know that lactic acid is a good acid. Yeah, it's a good acid, and it also contains tetrasodium ethydronate. Yeah, it also contains titanium dioxide, which is also sunscreen. It also contains sodium cocoate. So it also contains aqua water, which is a good one. So guys, these are the ingredients. It also contains pentasodium. So this is the ingredient it contains. This soap is a very, very nice soap. It doesn't have adverse effect. It won't bleach you. It's brightening you. Yeah, this is it. And it is clinically proven to be safe and effective. I really love products that are clinically dermatologist tested. I love soaps like that, formulated for people of color, so anybody can use it. Anybody, either sensitive, either dry skin, either name it, any skin type can use it. Yes, you can use it because it's very, very nice on skin of color, of people of color. So any skin type can use this soap. So guys, that is all about this video. At this point, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do click the subscribe button, and also click on the notification bell to get update whenever I upload my video. See you in my next video. Bye and stay safe. Thanks.